Go for it.
All right, so I'm just going to demonstrate real quick how we are going to draw up the medication for using HCG in the luteal phase. So these are the materials that you should get with from the pharmacy. You're going to have your syringe and needle, the 2 vials, some alcohol prep pads, and some smaller needles. So the syringe and needle, it may come in just like this protective case, which you just take the top off here. Okay, and that should just kind of come out. All right. Okay, be real careful with the needle. We'll go ahead and use this needle for drawing it up. And we're gonna pull the syringe out to the 2 mark for 2 milliliters. And then we're gonna get an alcohol prep pad. And we'll start with the vial that has the liquid solution in it first and just pop the top off. Sanitize it with the alcohol pad. Now this vial does come with 10 milliliters of solution. However, we're only going to pull up 2 milliliters. Insert the needle, push the air through, and we can flip this upside down and make sure that end of the needle is still in the solution. And that plunger will come right out for us. Again, pulling it out to that 2 milliliter mark. I'm just checking for any air bubbles. Okay, 2 milliliters. Okay, get the other vial, sanitize that as well. Okay, and then we will carefully inject the liquid into this vial with the powder. Okay, and this is 10,000 units in the powder. So mixing it with the 2 milliliters will put 5,000 units per milliliter. And just kind of gently invert it a few times so that it's all mixed. It should mix pretty easily. And now for each injection that you're going to do on Peak Plus 3, 7, and 9, we're just going to draw up to where it says half of a milliliter, and that's going to give you that 2,500 units. So we're going to draw out just to where it says half. And if you're using an insulin syringe for administration, it would say 50 units. Okay. And we're going to carefully take this needle off. That's going to go into your sharps container. And then get one of these smaller administration needles. This one should be 1/2 inch long, and it should say this on the back here, so that you can administer it subcutaneously under the skin. Okay, I'm putting that needle on just to make sure that we're getting rid of any air bubbles. Okay, and now we're ready to administer.